Okay, this is a 2012 Nissan Altima. This is what I'm changing. I'm changing the grille. See how the bottom chrome piece is no good. So I picked up this one from the junkyard. I'll show it to you in a second. Here we go. That's the new one. That's the old one. Anyway, let me show you the flip side of this one. It's nice to buy them used. You just got to make sure that you know where all the clips are. Alright, so that's one clip that's really important. That's another clip. These clips on either side are also very important. And the holes on the flip side are basically just for those the snapping clips. So let's get this one out, the old one. I'm just going to place this on the ground a little ways away so I don't step on it and break that one. Anyway, so this is the clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I removed them already. And one thing I wanted to point out was a secret with these clips is, you see how it has that little notch right there? It's right there. That's where you want to put your the tool in. Here's the tool. So you want to put it in between, and you'll notice that it's a lot thinner right over there, so the tool can actually fit into that little slot, and it works a lot better. If you do it this way, if you try to slip it in this way where it doesn't have that the groove in it, it's going to be a lot more difficult. So make sure when you slip in the tool, you slip it in that way. Anyway, so let's get back to this. And then underneath here, just doing this with one hand here, you actually have a clip, one of those clips right there, and it's removed already. But this one on this side is broken, I guess from the little minor accident. You just have to touch this thing or just move it. You know, you'll feel it. It's just a little spring thing. As you can see, it's broken there. Actually, one of the guides is broken there. One of the guides is broken there. It does have that clip, and it does have that clip, which is nice. So I really don't have to show you how it goes in. You can stop the video at this point, but I'll just keep on going, trying to do this with one hand. Let's see how it goes. So what I would do first is I would look down here, see that it lines up, which it does. And it lines up on this notch over here. So once you can actually see that it lines up, I don't know if you could see it, you just push it right in. Okay, beautiful. It just clicked right in. Alright, so let's see if I could do this. Hold on. Yeah. Alright, it's in. There we go. This is where I'll end it. I'll just have to put on those little snap clips on the top and I'm all done. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.